Exactly the same brand of microwave popcorn. Now this is a 650 to 700 watt cheapy Tesco microwave which I've got. So 2.5 to 3 minutes it's saying. We'll try 3 minutes like we did in the other microwave. 3 minutes and we'll see what happens. This is again set on high. 3 minutes, well, a little less than 3 minutes. And we'll see if this is as exciting as watching paint dry on the other one. The light's in the way, you can't see much unfortunately. Hopefully you'll hear the popping. See if we can see in there. Just about to see the bags in there, I think. It is a bit like watching paint dry. What's this model? Does it say? It's a Tesco's own brand. It says on the back 650 to 700 watts. Well, I can already hear popping, and we've been going just over a minute, maybe a minute. And I can hear some popping. The bag is slowly turning on the turntable and popping slowly, and it's expanding. I'm now starting to hear quite a lot of sizzling and popping. And we're a minute and a half in. Oh, really sizzling and popping now. The bag's about half full. The bag's really blown up full now. We've only been going 2 minutes. So yeah, that's really full and popping like mad now. It might be the 3 minutes is too long for it, we'll see. Yeah, that is going well. It does struggle because it's such a smaller microwave. It's a cheapy Tesco one, but there's just about enough space for the bag to turn properly, which is good. Lots of popping. I might give that slightly more. Let's give that a fraction more. I can tell from the timer on my video this was only a knob, that we hadn't actually done 3 minutes. We've just hit 3 minutes since I started the video, so we're now looking at about that being the full 3 minutes. So that was 3 minutes. 3 minutes dead. Right, let's see what we've got. So again, put it into the same. Fucking hell, that's hot. Ow. Now that is a full bowl of popcorn. So that worked. Hardly any unpopped kernels.